Hey everybody, welcome back to Renegade 4-wheel drive. I'm John, and today we're going to be installing an exhaust system on my 2020 Gladiator. So stay tuned, let's check it out. Alright, so today we're installing this AFE Power Twisted Steel Y pipe and the AFE Rockbasher 3-inch Catback exhaust system. Each one of these systems can be put in without the other one. So if you want to keep your factory Y pipe and just run this exhaust, you can. Both of them are manufactured out of 409 stainless steel, so it's gonna last a lifetime. Everything is actually made out of mandrel bent tubing. The Twisted Steel Y pipe is 2 1/4 tubing, while the Rockbasher is 3-inch. And the Rockbasher is a very short exhaust. It's going to dump somewhere behind the back of the cab, so you won't have that entire long exhaust system. AFE says that the Twisted Steel Y pipes will produce an extra 8 horsepower and 14 foot-pounds of torque. And you know, I'm getting these numbers from their website. They don't have any specs on what this will do, or what the Rockbasher will do, but I mean, I'm more doing this just because it's going to sound good. So, if you ever heard of factory Jeep exhaust system, it's what a factory exhaust system should sound like. It's quiet, has a nice, quiet, mellow tone. This is going to make it a little more aggressive. So let's check out what the factory Jeep exhaust system sounds like, and at the end we're going to compare it to this.
Blur, the shirts all soaked with sweat. He's riding hard to catch that herd, but he ain't caught him yet. Cause they're got to ride forever on that range up in the sky. A horse is holding fire as they ride on, hear their cry. Yippee-i-oh, yippee-i-yay, yippee-i-oh, yippee-i-yay. Riders in the sky.
Alright, so as y'all saw, it's a very easy install with simple tools. You can take the exhaust out as one entire piece. It just involves dropping the spare tire and removing the heat shield around the tire. I chose not to do it because I'm not going to put that back in. You know, once you get everything bolted up on this, just make sure that you start tightening your bolts from the headers all the way back. If you tighten everything up as you're installing it, it's going to make your life very miserable. So leave everything loose until you get everything put on, and then go back and retighten all your bolts. So as you heard, it has a good deep throaty sound. You know, it feels a little more peppy when I drive it. So all in all, I'm pleased with it. I think it's a great product. AFE is known for producing great products, so I'm very happy with it. So this was John from Renegade 4-Wheel Drive. Y'all stay safe, and we'll see y'all out on the trail.